Good day everyone. Today I will demonstrate to you how I did add my network monitoring tool programmatically into the Windows Defender Firewall without setting up here manually. So I will demonstrate my program. So this program will also automatically elevate the process to an administrator level so that we could be able to see the packets in our network interface card. And if you choose no, nothing will happen. So we need to elevate the process. Then at this part, since this tool is not yet registered in the Windows Firewall, if we want to add it, if we click yes, if we check the here, if we'll check allow an app for this firewall, as you can see, it is already automatically added. So the user will no longer need to manually add the tool here. So how did my implementation goes? So when the application started, it will check if if the tool is run as an administrator. So let's go at this part. So at this part, what it does, it just get the security ID of the process if it is part of the administrator group, and if it is not, this will return false. So when it returns false, it will call this elevate process. So I created this function. So here it will launch itself as an admin and close the old process. Okay, that's how I did it. And regarding the firewall, I created a class, a firewall class. So this within the firewall class, I have my implementation here to check if the application is already listed in the firewall, the Windows firewall, or is it enabled. So what I did is to initialize the COM. So we need to initialize the COM here. Then after we initialize, we call this firewall initialize. So we will call this. What what it did is to initialize the firewall settings manager. So get local policy, current profile, everything. And after that, we will check if this process or this executable is enabled. So let's go to the implementation. So it will just retrieve the application collection, and here attempt to retrieve the authorized application. So if it succeeded, it will check if it is enabled or if it is already registered. But if it is not registered, so this function will return false, this one. And when it returns false, this will pop up. So if you will click yes, so it will add the app at this implementation. Here, here put name, set application friendly name, and add to the collection. So I think that's the, so it's heavily implemented using Windows API. So this is a Windows API. So I hope you enjoy. It's just the starting of the tool. Thank you and have a great day.